Welcome back, genius folks. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to find the surface area of a triangular prism. So I have a triangular prism right over here that we're trying to find the surface area of. So let's get started. Now, to find the surface area of a triangular prism, we're going to have to know an important formula, which is S, that stands for surface area, equals perimeter of the base times the height of the prism plus the area of the base times 2. So now we're going to get started by using the formula. So first step, we're supposed to find the perimeter of the base. So the perimeter, as we know, is this triangle. Now I see a lot of people getting confused with the base and think that this is the base because it's touching the ground. Your logic makes sense, but it's actually not true because it's called a triangular prism for a reason. The base is a triangle. So this would not be the base of this triangular prism. The triangle, would be actually the base of this triangular prism. So now that we have that cleared out, now we're going to have to find the perimeter of that triangle. So as we know, the perimeter of a shape is just the outskirts length of that shape. So we're going to try to find that out. Now we could see that the 5 centimeters is the bottom line. So we're going to add 5 plus the next number, which is 6, and 6 plus, and we know that the other number is 6 because these two look identical. So plus 6. Now we have 17. 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 5 is 17. Now we're going to have to try to find the height of the prism. Now the height of the prism is obvious since the triangle is the base, and we could probably, so since the triangle is the base, I'm going to demonstrate this. Let's see. I'm not going to draw it the best, but I'm going to try my best to demonstrate it. Okay, there we go. So this is actually how the triangular prism is supposed to look, and the base that we just found out is this right here. So now we automatically know that the height of the prism would be this line over here, and this line in this triangular prism is 10 centimeters. We could see that right over here. So now we could put 10 centimeters in our formula. So let's just rewrite our formula so we don't get confused. S equals 17, the perimeter of the base, times 10, the height of the prism, plus the area of the base, which we haven't figured out yet. Let's just write it over there as a variable for now, and multiply that by 2, area of the base times 2. So now we're going to get to the next step, which is finding the area of the base. So we know that the area is the triangle now, so we could easily find out the area of it. So we know that the formula to find the area of a base is not area of the base, but area of a triangle, which is our base, is A equals 1/2 times the height of the prism. No, base times height. 1/2 times base times height. Sorry, I'm getting confused a bit. Area equals 1/2 times base times height. That's the formula to finding the area of a triangle. So now let's find that out. Now the base, as you can see, is 5 centimeters. It's the bottom line. So we could 5 centimeters, and now the height, which is 7 centimeters, as it states right here. So 5 times 7 is, 5 times 7 is 35. Is 35. So this dot is actually a multiplication sign. It's the same thing. So 35. Now we're not done yet. We still have to do that 1/2. We still have to multiply by 1/2. Now 35 times 1/2, 0.5. Actually, let me rewrite that. 35 times, times 0.5 equals 17.5. So now we have the base too. So we could rewrite our formula again now. If we rewrite it, surface area equals 17 times 10 times 10 plus the area of the base, which is 17.5 times 2. Now I know you guys noticed that we didn't have to actually multiply by 1/2 because we're multiplying it by 2 now. So we're still going to get 35. But that's just how the formula works. So we're just going to have to follow along with it. Now we're going to actually work it all out and find the surface area of this triangular prism. So 17 times 10, let me scroll down so we have more space. Oops, let me do that actually. Let's do that. And 17 times 10, as we know, equals 170, simple math, plus 17.5 times 2. So 17.5 times 2. Wait, that looks like a 9, so let me just quickly fix that. 17.5 times 2 equals 35. So now we add up 170 plus 35, which equals 205. So there we go. We have found the surface area of that triangular prism. So I hope you guys understood that, and I hope it was easy to understand. So if you guys have any suggestions on what I should explain next, or any questions you guys have, just feel free to comment it down below. I would definitely be willing to answer those. So just hope you guys understood everything again, and stay safe and stay genius. See you guys later.